Virginia's 19 governor schools give students academic and visual and performing arts opportunities beyond those normally available in the students' home schools. In Southwest Virginia, learners are often confronted with challenges their peers in other locations don't experience. The distance between schools, rugged terrain, and possible harsh winter weather serve as barriers to providing a traditional, single-building governor's school for gifted and motivated students. Using virtual learning tools, the Linwood Holton Governor's School fills a unique need. Students from 37 high schools in 18 school divisions attend remote classes, listen to lectures, participate in discussions, and complete lab activities from their school, home, or almost anywhere. The Holton Governor's School is leveling the playing field for students in Virginia's Appalachian region.
My husband and I are both educators, and as parents and educators, we wanted a program that would challenge our sons and be academically rigorous for them. And the Governor's School provided that rigor, but also support in a way that we felt was very beneficial to our sons. And throughout their time in the program, they were able to grow academically, but also in the level of confidence they had, and we saw their maturity develop as well. And those were both things that they were able to carry on to them throughout their lives in the next step as they have moved forward in their education and careers.
We serve a large region, and we're a fully virtual program. We have a very small group of students that we partner with a program called the HEALS program, which is a healthcare excellence program that Emory and Henry has as a lab school. Those students are in person with us, and we get to do that, but the vast majority of our students are virtual and are at their home-based high school. And with that, we get to know them through them attending lab days, coming to orientation on our campus, but most of our getting to know them is back at their home high school. And so our region spreads from Carroll County all the way to Lee and up to Buchanan, so it's a huge area. But we also serve 2 school divisions outside of our area. We serve Highland County, which is very rural, and Fredericksburg City.
I think one of the things that makes so many of our students most successful is the fact that with the different types of classes here, they can really start to, sometimes for the first time, choose the classes that are their passion and their real area of interest. And so I think the students who come in who are really invested in the material and want to really, make an effort to not just do well in the class, but to learn the material for lifetime learning. Those are the ones that I see that are the most successful, and they also enjoy it most and get the most out of the classes. But I think the beauty of the Governor's School here is that they have college-level expectations with high school level support. So not only do they have the people in their home high schools, but we have administrators and success specialists here. We tailor these classes to help them make the transition from high school expectations to college expectations.
Honestly, I love the teachers, and so normally, I figured with a college class that they wouldn't be as, involved in your life and want to be as invested as they actually are. And so that's something that I was really happy with, was that they are there, and they're just like your high school teachers, is that they want to help you and see you succeed. Virtual can be hard, and it can be hard for most people to learn virtually because most people need it to be in front of them and need to listen. But I think having both in person and online helps, because she has days where you can ask in-person questions, but there's also the virtual side where you have to do a little bit more work yourself, which kind of teaches independence and makes you work a little bit harder. And so I think both of them are useful for different things.
Linwood Holton Governor's School is innovative, and it's an opportunity for our students in the public school system to receive an advantage that they may not receive otherwise.
To learn more about Virginia's governor's schools, visit doe.virginia.gov.